Bodor Laser concluded a successful showcase at BIEMH 2026 at the Bilbao Exhibition Center, BEC, in Spain. During the exhibition, Bodor presented a range of advanced laser solutions, including sheet laser cutting machines, tube laser cutting machines, and handheld laser welding machines. Live demonstrations and technical exchanges attracted strong attention from visitors across Europe. The commercial section of the Chinese embassy in Spain and the exhibition organizer also visited the Bodor booth. Through BIEMH 2026, Bodor further strengthened its presence in the European market, reaffirming its commitment to localized sales, service, and support for industries such as metal fabrication and machinery manufacturing.
Bodor, dare to dream.